Number one thing home buyers are looking for. See if you stack up against this. In a survey done, nearly 80% of consumers say if they saw a sign, do you guys want to take a guess first what the number one thing might be, Chuck, Steve? What are the number one thing that buyers want when buying a home in a home?
Can't even begin to think.
All right, that's fine.
Kitchen. Well, I
Kitchen,
mean,
they
I've
would,
got ideas, but
well,
I don't know.
here's what the survey says. If they saw signs of a pet in a home, it wouldn't deter them from making an offer as long as there was no damage to the property, according to a survey conducted by Quicken Loans earlier this year. 2 in 10 people even said a pet-friendly home would make them want to increase their offer. And in fact, when polled, it seems that pet-friendly homes, 66% of American households own a pet. And according to the American Pet Products Association, about one-fifth of recent home buyers said they considered their pet when deciding what neighborhood to live in. That's according to the new research from the National Association of Realtors. How about that? So
Really? Now
it's
that's odd.
it's pet
Right.
driven. I will tell you, when I was looking for a new home with my wife, we have two German shepherds, and LaDonna and I were looking, and we found a house in Norton Commons that had a nice size side lot. So yeah, we put them up there as well. So anybody who loves their pets, they're going to look for them.